Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to rename your space. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new space. And as you can see, when I create a new space, it is automatically given a name with a color and a planet. If I wanted to rename my space, I would just directly click on the name of the space, and I can type out whatever name I would like to give it. So we're going to call this Pencil Space 1. And then I save the changes. And now anyone who has access to my space will be able to identify it by the name I've just changed it to. One important thing to note is that there is a 30-character limit for any space name you create. Another important thing to be aware of is that only hosts are able to change the name of spaces. Participants do not have this capability. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right corner of your screen.